following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Fairview Police Department is searching for Haley Giandoni, a white 14-year-old female. She is 5 feet 4 inches tall, 170 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. She was last seen wearing a gray sweatshirt and camouflage leggings. Police are looking for unknown suspect in connection with her abduction. The suspect is driving an unknown vehicle. The victim was last seen at 6 p.m. on December 18th on the 100 block of Stonehenge Drive in Fairview, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Fairview Police Department at 972-886-4211.